guys, Stacey is going to be about showing you guys my slime collection. And it's going to be for this week, so I might be doing slime collections each week. And I'm with my friend, Aslyn. Hello! And so, like, 2 of them are her slimes, and the rest are mine. And the next slime video, I'm going to be showing, like, my family slime collection. So, further ado, let's go into the video. And I'm sorry I didn't do the kitty poster or whatever with the music. It's because my tablet is acting super strange and dumb. So, let's now go into the video. So, this first time I have is this green one that was Hulk last time, but now it's Hopper. I just dyed it, and if you remember from my other slime collection, this one's was supposed to be Hulk. I accidentally dyed it. I don't know why I did that. Okay, moving on to the. Wait, you want to touch it? Sure. Ah, sorry. Okay. It's sticky. Okay, now let's go on to the next one.
I got this one. Is called Blueberry. It's a really dark blue, but on camera and the lighting is making it look super like light blue, and that's why it got my hands all like this.
We made that one last night.
Yeah, we made this one yesterday.
You want to put it? Sure. Thanks. This one's like a buttery slime.
Well, actually it is a butter slime because we put cornstarch in it.
Oh yeah.
So that's why.
I wish I picked my butter slime.
Well, butter blueberries.
Yeah. So let's go on to the next one. So this next one I have is this jiggly slime. I meant putty. I make this one myself. It's my own recipe. And I didn't make a video because I don't really feel like I want to about this one. But yeah, this one's a really good texture. It's actually like a brownish right now, but it looks white. It focuses, and you can see it. Yeah, it's a little bit like that. So now let's go on to the next one.
This one is called Watermelon because it's super red, and
I thought you called it Big Red.
And it was just so hard to make because I had to put so many borax drops into it, and then it just.
That's the same secret recipe I use. I let her use it. She's the only one I've told. Like, that's true.
I'm never going to tell anybody, so don't ask me.
So let's see.
I'm never going to tell anybody, so don't ask me.
Okay, let's go on to the next. This next one's my favorite. It's kind of fluffy slime because I added like a lot of ingredients to it. I added foaming soap, all of that. I think I recorded it, maybe not. Oh, it didn't work. Okay. You want to touch it? Yeah. Oh, it's kind of cool.
I don't know, it feels like a grape soda one.
Yeah.
Pills. I mean, it
Should be called that.
yeah. It's called grape soda.
Yeah.
If she didn't.
I did it. Okay, now let's go on to the next one.
Okay, so the next one is a butter slime.
I
didn't make it. She did.
I made this video, and if you want to go look at it, go check out
It's
channel.
super light in the light, but it doesn't look like that.
Let's see if it'll focus. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so, well, actually using yellow. Not even light like that.
I made a video about it, so if you want to go check that out. I love that slime. That was my first butter slime I made. That's cool. So this next one is a super soft cream slime. I made this one out of like a lot of things. It smells super good because I messed up on this one, but then I added some soap in it. I think I recorded a video about it. Yeah, I think so. So you can go check this one out too. Going for it? So now let's go on to the next one.
This one is mixed up with lavender and heartbreak slime together. So
if you guys remember that in my slime collection, yeah, that one was mine.
Yeah, I did not make it. The two ones that I made were this blueberry one, and
sorry about that, guys.
this red one, which is watermelon / big red.
Sorry guys.
This one that is the one that got mixed up was
Great. We don't know what it's called. Comment down below what this one should be called. This does not look like... sorry guys. This does not even look like the actual color. Oh, sorry about that, guys. This one looks like super dark purple. Sorry, guys.
I like New York City in the nighttime. You say you like sleeping with the air off. I need it on. You like the light coming through the windows.
That was that one. Let's go on to the next one. Ew. This next one is my super tiny slime. It's like a really ugly putty texture. And this one's nightmare slime. I think I showed it in my video, but in my slime collection. It's tiny though. So yeah. Okay, so let's go on to the next one.
this is a white one on Planet to Pink one. And it's a jiggly slime. I didn't make it actually, Daddy did. And it's super jiggly, like look at this. Like it doesn't like jiggly. It's like super jiggly. It feels super weird though. It does not stretch well, as you can tell, like look at that. But it's super pokeable. We're gonna make another jiggly slime in a little bit, and we'll show that. I'll show mine in my next slime collection next week. So let's go into the next one.
This next one was supposed to be like the second one, this one I showed you, but this one's more putty texture. So it doesn't stretch that good, but it's super pokeable. So this one is like a putty, like vanilla putty. It looks more grayish though. So yeah, let's go on to the next one. Oh, didn't know I was recording. Oh shoot, dang it again.
This one is a white one, and it's named Yogurt.
I call it cloud.
But yeah, this is it, and it's not jiggly or anything, but it's super pokeable and it stretches so well.
Sorry,
But it's a normal slime, it's not like a special.
this one, no, it is a special slime. It has sound things in it, and it's like super good. So yeah, it's not actually white like this. It's a little bit darker. Let's go on to the next one. This next one is my second to last one, and my third to last one, because Houston has one, and I have this one and one more. This one's supposed to be a butter slime, but It didn't really work out. I made this last night. Polka dots is super good. Look at it. So let's go on to the next one.
Okay, so this is a very, very, very ugly one.
Slime. That one I named it ugly because it smells disgusting and it's super ugly.
Look at this color. That's so ugly.
Focus.
Okay,
I'm
so
super focuses.
if you wonder why it's like this color, then I'm gonna tell you. So she said that
I was at my sister's game and I made slime before it because I knew I would want to make slime over there, but I just made it at the place across the street, and it's called a zombie place, if you guys have been there. And my sister, she was the mascot, Desiree. I'm not telling you her last name. But yeah, so I was just playing with it over there. I was sitting like where people put their feet, don't judge me. And like where people sit, so nobody was sitting in front of me, and the people in front of me were doing the same thing. I was playing with my slimes on. I was there, and they kept on jumping on the floor. It was on the seat, and it smelled super gross because of that. It turned super dirty and super ugly.
and it got this color. It's nasty.
It was supposed to be like a clear slime. That's not clear.
I'm not touching this with my hands, so
It smells super bad. I don't want
it looks like a slug.
It does. I'm going to call it slug slime. So now let's go on to the very last slime. So this slime, if you guys remember, it was from mixing some of my slimes. And my mom picked 2, my stepdad picked 2, I picked 2, my sister picked 2, my sister's boyfriend picked 2. Well, this is the one. And there's 10 slimes mixed together in here. This one's super huge. So this one, super huge. Let me see. This one, I like it, but then I don't because it has a really weird texture. There's a lot of weird things mixed in together. I like how it makes that bubble sound. So, yeah.
It's super stretchable though.
Yeah, it's super. Look how much slime I already stretched out. I'm so in you. This one we might play with it the longest because this one's the hugest.
I know you're somewhere out there.
I might be doing another mixing video another day. I just need to buy a container for it and I'll make it. And it might be all the slimes I'm showing you except hers. So yeah. You still have a better face. So this one, yeah. So this one looks like a peach slime right now. But it's actually really kind of pink. So yeah. That was the last one. Sorry guys. I don't like it to do that. So that one was the last one. I hope you guys like or give a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below what should I do in my next video. Bye guys.
Bye people! Hope you liked this video.